If you've spent enough time to fully get a handle on how Logical CMS for ASP.NET uses code generation to speed your CMS development along, you might then ask yourself if such a rad tool exists that can speed the development of database web applications in general. There are a few, but we feel that the best one out there is IronSpeed Designer. In fact, we feel that IronSpeed Designer is such a powerful ASP.NET code generating tool, we used it to develop Logical CMS for ASP.NET. That's right, we used a code generator to build a code generator. It was during the development of Logical CMS for ASP.NET that it struck us that an IronSpeed Designer application could be extended with CMS functionality if it were integrated with Logical CMS. Conversely, a Logical CMS solution could be extended to incorporate any kind of database interface and functionality that IronSpeed Designer can build. In this screencast, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Logical CMS for ASP.NET and IronSpeed Designer work together. Let's start by taking a quick look at Logical CMS's interface. The IronSpeed developers among you will immediately recognize that we use the standard IronSpeed design theme. What this means is that it's a very simple matter to substitute any of the other IronSpeed design themes that use a left-hand navigation menu. Now let's take a look at one of the sample applications that comes with IronSpeed 5.2 called Job Application. As you can see, when we run the sample application, the design theme is pretty different from that of Logical CMS, yet the layout is consistent. We'll start by opening the Job Application Program folder, and we'll select Images and Styles, and we'll copy them to the clipboard. Next, we'll go to the Logical CMS folder, and we'll paste them there, allowing them to overwrite the existing folders. After returning to Logical CMS and clearing our cache of all temporary files, we can then close this dialog and we can find that our Logical CMS now takes on the appearance of the sample application. Now that the look and feel of Logical CMS has been adapted to that of the IronSpeed application, it's time to link their menus to each other. As you can see in the Internet Information Services Manager, both Job Application and Logical CMS are configured as virtual directories under the default website, letting us know the full URL at which they can be linked to. Now let's go back to the Logical CMS folder, and let's go into the Menu Panels folder and open the sitemap. And we'll open it with Notepad. Next, we scroll down to the last sitemap node, make a copy of it, and paste it up top. And we replace the title with something like "Go back to Job Application." We have to set the description to the same thing. And finally, we have to set the URL to the right location for Job Application, which in this case would be http://localhost/job application. And let's save it. The last thing we have to do is go back into our IronSpeed Designer application and configure the menu so that we can link to our Logical CMS application. Again, we'll scroll to the bottom and we'll make a copy of a sitemap node. And we'll paste it directly after. We'll get rid of these submenus, which we don't need, and we will change the title to Edit Site Content. We'll copy this title to the description, and we will change the URL to http://localhost/logical CMS. And we're done. We've now integrated our IronSpeed Designer application with our Logical CMS application. Let's see how it works. As you can see, Edit Site Content is now part of the IronSpeed application menu, and clicking on it brings us to our Logical CMS screen. We have a unified look and feel and a way of getting back to the job application. The result is the integration of an IronSpeed application and a Logical CMS content management solution. It is important to note that the integration can be made seamless by further cross-linking menu items between your IronSpeed application and your Logical CMS project. Thanks for watching.